Welcome to Bryant Career Tech Center, part of Alabama's Career and Technical Education (CTE) programs. Serving students from Baker, Alma Bryant, Davidson, BC Rain, and Theodore High Schools, we offer 13 industry-aligned programs designed to provide certifications, hands-on experience, and career pathways. Here, students prepare for thriving careers and successful futures. The Agritions program, part of Alabama's CTE curriculum, connects students to careers in agriculture. With hands-on experiences in horticulture, turf management, and small engine repair, students gain skills that align with the needs of Alabama's agricultural industries. The HVAC program, guided by Alabama CTE standards, prepares students for careers in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Through hands-on activities like brazing and system troubleshooting, students build the expertise needed for this essential trade. The Teaching and Learning program equips future educators with the tools to inspire the next generation. Aligned with Alabama CTE pathways, students gain experience in lesson planning, service projects, and classroom management. The Plumbing and Pipe Fitting program provides foundational skills for careers in the construction and utilities industries. Through Alabama CTE's rigorous standards, students gain expertise in pipe assembly, installation, and maintenance. With dual enrollment opportunities through coastal Alabama, the Aviation program prepares students for careers in aerospace. Guided by Alabama CTE's aviation standards, students develop skills in aircraft maintenance, repair, and operation. The Health Science program, part of Alabama's CTE framework, introduces students to the healthcare field. From clinical skills to earning CNA certification, students are ready to meet the demand for skilled healthcare professionals. The Electrical program gives students a strong foundation in electrical systems, as outlined by Alabama CTE standards. By mastering conduit work, wiring, and installations, students are prepared for careers in this high-demand industry. Aligned with Alabama's CTE construction curriculum, the construction program develops students' carpentry and project management skills. From precision cutting to assembling structures, students are ready to build their future. The Cosmetology program provides students with real-world training in the beauty industry. Meeting Alabama CTE standards, students learn to perform facials, manicures, and other essential services, preparing for careers in cosmetology. The Welding program, guided by Alabama CTE, prepares students for high-demand careers in fabrication and manufacturing. With skills in cutting, grinding, and welding, students master techniques used in today's industry. In the Automotive program, students explore vehicle maintenance and repair. Following Alabama CTE standards, they gain hands-on experience with diagnostics and inspections, ready to meet the challenges of the automotive industry. Bryant's manufacturing program, aligned with Alabama CTE guidelines, prepares students for modern production environments. By mastering tools like routers and plasma cutters, students acquire the precision and problem-solving skills needed in advanced manufacturing. Bryant Career Tech Center, as part of Alabama's career and technical education programs, empowers students with certifications, hands-on learning, and industry connections. With 13 innovative programs, we turn aspirations into achievements. Your journey starts here.